Now to that Supreme Court decision allowing that new Texas abortion law, a near ban on abortions in that state, to remain in place, but also allowing a narrow path for abortion providers to challenge it. And tonight, the warning to the court from Chief Justice John Roberts. Terry Moran has covered the court for years for us.
Today's ruling by the 5 most conservative justices on the court, the Texas law known as SB 8, which has effectively banned almost all abortions in the state for 101 days, can remain in effect for now. SB 8 empowers private citizens, not government officials, to enforce the abortion ban by bringing private lawsuits. Justice Neil Gorsuch, in an opinion for the court, declaring that courts cannot simply order all private citizens not to file those suits, and so the Supreme Court does not have the power to strike SB 8 down. One thing this court may never do is disregard the traditional limits on the federal courts just to see a favored result win the day, Gorsuch wrote. Chief Justice John Roberts, who was on the losing side, warning that the clear purpose and actual effect of the Texas law was to nullify this court's rulings. But today's opinion does allow a much narrower legal challenge to SB 8 to proceed against a few state officials in Texas. Justice Sonia Sotomayor, in an impassioned dissent, declaring the court should have put an end to this madness months ago, and warning the court leaves all manner of constitutional rights more vulnerable than ever before to the great detriment of our Constitution and our republic. And at the White House, Press Secretary Jen Psaki called on Congress to act to enshrine the right to choose abortion in federal law.
The ruling this morning is a reminder of how much these rights are at risk.
Now that this court has ruled on this Texas law, all eyes now on that Mississippi law the court has heard. And that case could overturn or gut Roe versus Wade. And if the court does decide to overturn Roe versus Wade, this Texas law would stand, and many more laws limiting or banning abortion would follow. David?
Terry Moran on a Friday night. Thank you, Terry.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.